to my channel. So today's video is going to be a hair tutorial, as I'm sure you can tell by the title and the thumbnail. But before we jump into the hair tutorial, we have a little sponsor, you guys. So thank you so much to Vooglam for sponsoring today's video. So you guys, if you have not heard of Vooglam, you may have heard of Vogue Me. They're the same company. They recently changed their name and they sell glasses, you guys. So y'all may not know, but I do wear contacts, and I have been wearing contacts like for years, and I've had the same pair of glasses for probably the last like 10 years. But I was so happy when they reached out to me because now I finally have some new glasses. So I actually still have my contacts in, so I'm gonna go take my contacts out. We're gonna do a little slow-mo in each pair of the glasses, and then I'm gonna go ahead and talk about them. That we have here is called Fabian, and this is how they come packaged in this cute little orange like almost like a sunglasses bag. And then when you open it up, it's wrapped in this, and then it comes with the clear protector on it that you can just peel off. So these are so cute. I think this was my favorite pair that I picked out. They are like turquoise, pink, like tannish brown with this super cute gold detail at the top, girl. Love this. So let's try them on. Y'all, oh my gosh, I have not seen myself like in glasses, especially not glasses like this, like super cute fashionable glasses, girl. Mine are, like I said, like years old. Okay, so they're not giving cute, but these, what do we think? It's giving. It's giving. I love the gold. Oh my gosh, these are cute. That we have, you guys, it's called Florido, and they this super cute red detailing at the top. Ooh, I like this shape. I like this shape. Oh my gosh, yes. What do we think? Okay, these are cute. And their glasses are so affordable, you guys. Everything is going to be linked in the description box down below for you, of course. But I love the way these look. Okay guys, the next pair that we have here is retro. I was really excited about these because I really like this green, and something about the way these are made gives me kind of like nerdy vibes, but I'm kind of a nerd, so I really like the way these are made. So let me see. Oh, I know I said the other shape was my fave, but I don't know. What do y'all think? The other glass, my like old glasses that I have are like the really like the small like rectangle shape, which is like so outdated. But these, girl, okay, these are cute. I don't know, this might be my favorite pair. The next pair that we have, you guys, is called Gonzalez, and this is the shape. Super cute. It has like this tortoise detailing on the side, like tan, cream, black. Almost kind of like an orangey shade in the middle, and the top is kind of like black. So this is cute. Okay, let's see. Okay, I feel like every time I try on a pair, I keep changing my mind as to like, I keep adjusting them, y'all, because of my lashes. Ooh, I keep changing my mind as to which pair is my fave, but I'm really like loving them all. Like the shapes, the colors, there's just such a nice variety. Okay guys, so the next pair here, I don't know the name. I don't know the name for the next one either, but all the names will be on the screen and all the glasses will be down below, so y'all will be able to see what is what. But these are kind of like rainbow, like almost like fuchsia, and then like a blue, yellow, orange, and then the front is kind of like red and green, and then orange and yellow. So it's like opposites. I don't know, let's see. At first when I took these out, I was kind of like, I don't know, but these are cute. These are cute. I don't know. I like how different they are. I like that they're like opposites. Like this one is like yellow and orange, and this one is like green and red. This is cute. Okay, period. I'm loving the glasses, y'all. I'm loving the glasses. Don't know the name for this pair either, but this one is kind of like a, I feel like I keep saying tortoise. I don't know if this is really considered tortoise. I feel like it is. Almost like a blush kind of color, and the brown, and then this really pretty teal. And this is a really interesting shape. I've never seen glasses with this kind of shape before. Okay, these are different. I don't know how I feel about these. Not the shape, but just like the like teal color here and like the rest. I don't know. I feel like it doesn't look the best on my face. I don't know if this, I feel like it's just the color combo. I don't know. What do y'all think about these? And please, down below, let me know which one is your fave and what style of glasses do you like? Girl, we're gonna have to see. But y'all, all the glasses are a bop, okay? Like, seriously. So, okay, y'all, so I think the green pair is my favorite. It's honestly a really tough call. I honestly really like all the glasses, but something about the shape and like this green color, I feel like it's a vibe. So yeah, so like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, everything is going to be linked in the description box down below for you guys, and I do have a coupon code is Indya. I'll put it across the screen for you guys, and of course in the description box down below, so I can be sure to check them out. And once again, thank you so much to Vooglam for sponsoring today's. Okay, y'all, so let's go ahead and talk about this hairstyle. So this crochet braid style came to me from a style that I saw on Instagram. If I remember, I'll pop a little picture on the screen if I can find one. Girl, I know y'all have probably seen this before, all the little natural hair blogs and stuff. Blogs? Girl, what am I talking about? All the little natural hair Instagrams and stuff have been posting it. So when I saw it, I loved it, but I was also like, no ma'am, at the same time, because who's doing all of that work with like individual locks in between the crochet? Girl, I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. So of course when I saw it, I was just like, okay, all crochet, easy, like crochet locks, crochet hair, cornrow your hair like usual, and voila. And this is what it turned out to be. Okay, so I'm living for it. Okay, the only thing that I'm like kind of like, I don't know how I feel about it is the leave out. So if you guys have been keeping up with my crochet braid videos and just honestly just my channel in general, you will know that I have had some breakage in the front from wearing so many different crochet braid styles. So I decided I was gonna do a little bit of leave out, and this is how it's looking. So let me get up close so y'all can see what's goody. Okay, so I feel like I've kind of like fixed it and like kind of gotten it how I needed it to be. But I don't know how I feel about the leave out. I feel like as the time goes on, like as the days go on, I'll get used to having leave out. But y'all know, like, I've never done leave out with any crochet braid style, and I've literally been wearing crochet for like 5 years. So that would explain why I have, you know, the breakage that I do. I don't think that crochet braids really cause breakage if you just wear them, you know, here and there. But if you're constantly putting in the style back to back to back, you definitely will have a little bit of something. So yeah, it's not really bad or anything like that, but I did want to do leave out this time. And I do know a lot of the girls who wear crochet do leave out. So yeah, this is how it looks. We'll see. I'll keep y'all updated on this. But as for the style overall, girl, you can't tell me nothing. You can't tell me anything. This is actually going to be a little voiceover. Y'all know that's how I've been doing my styles lately. So we're really just going to jump into me kind of just installing the hair. Okay, y'all, so the hair that I'm going to be using today is the Kima Braid Ripple Deep. It's in the color 1B. I just went to my beauty supply store and picked this up. I want to say it's 20 inches. And then these locks that I'm using, I actually have a full dedicated video on these locks. I don't know which ones they are because I reviewed more than one type of lock, but I'll link it for y'all if I can figure out which one it is. But they're just regular crochet goddess locks. You can pick up any kind that you want for this style. So my braiding pattern for this style is 12 cornrows going straight back. And then I do have the leave out in the front, as you guys can see. And of course, I'm using my beater for this style. You know, I do not like that crochet latch hook. So all we're going to be doing is taking the beater and just putting it under the braid, pull the hair through, and then just tie it. So for this style, for this type of hair, it's like a silky texture. So in the front, I just knotted it 2 to 3 times. And then in the back, I knotted it like 2 or 3 times as well. In the front, I did only pull through one side to do kind of like the invisible knot thing, just because I didn't want those really big bulky knots in the front, even though I do have some leave out, so it wouldn't be that noticeable. But basically, I just pulled through one piece of hair instead of two so that the knot is on the other side. And you guys can see I'm bringing the beater forward for this style. And when I installed the locks, I only pulled them through one time. There's really no need to like really knot them. You can literally just open the loop and just pull the lock through. They're very sturdy. You won't have any problems with slipping. I used about 1.5 bags of the Kima braid hair for this style. I bought 2. I feel like buying 2 is enough. I don't think you would need any more. And I used maybe about half the bag of locks that I had. These are old locks, you guys, that I kept. And now I'm like reusing them for this style. So you probably only, I believe the locks maybe give you like 10 bags when you order them. So I probably used like half of that, maybe like 5 or 6 bags. And so then here I'm just taking out my leave out, and I did end up putting some like edge control on it to kind of slick it down. And of course I laid my edges, and yeah, girl, this is how the style came out. So I absolutely love it. I think it is so super cute. Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think of this super cute summer style and what styles you want to see next. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button on your way out, turn your post notifications on, and give the video a thumbs up. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.